going to tell you my story. I'm a mom with a toddler at home, and you'll probably hear her in the background as we're doing this. And I just started feeling like we needed more crafts in our lives to get through our busy days. We don't really have all the things in our lives that we used to, like preschool and playgrounds and friends and family. So in my mind, I just thought, if I can just get through to nap time, maybe the day will be okay. And then ultimately I figured out if I could just get one craft, if I could just do one activity with my toddler every day, just to reset it, just to make it a positive and fun day, then we could make it through the weeks and the months and however long it's going to take us to come out of quarantine. So this is my story, and right now I am I'm working on the polka dot 8x8, and we're just kind of documenting a little bit of what we're doing over the last 3 weeks. Places that we've gone in our backyard with our family, and some baking. I really love to bake, and so we've been trying to do some of that, and then our crafts. I try to do some simple, really simple crafts with my toddler that involve just things that you could get in your everyday home, paint and vegetables, paper, cardboard tubes, really just anything you can make up to make a craft fun. And so I'm just documenting those as we go, and you can see I'm still working my way through it. But I just started kind of taking some photos and making some little videos of what we're doing, and I actually put it all on a blog, and I just hope that maybe someone will see what we're doing and think that, oh, I can do that too, or oh, you know what, I do have that at my house, and they can use these crafts and reset their day or reset their week, or make it turn something that's kind of negative into something that could be really positive. So that's what we're doing here, and we've actually taken a lot of pictures. One craft a day has turned into so many little things and fun memories for me and my toddler, and we've got a lot to scrapbook. Okay, tell us who's in this book.
That's Daddy and Sylvia playing papers.
And who's this?
That's Sylvia playing in the water.
Oh, Sylvia playing in the water? Who's this?
And Sylvia and Daddy playing with paint.
Oh, we did play with paint. And are you guys going on a little walk here?
We'll walk with it.
And who's this?
I'm cooking dinner.
I think we were making cookies, right?
Cookies.
We did. That's you making cookies. Are you wearing your apron? I remember that.
And
What's that?
So making roses.
You did make roses. And is this a fun craft?
That's a ball.
Oh, okay. Okay.
And Sylvia making.
Okay, and this is the part where Mommy stopped. Who's that?
She stops.
I stopped. Are you riding your bike?
Bike. Falling.
Oh, do you like this one? Remember when we went on a walk together? The big bridge? Who's this? Okay. And I would love to hear your ideas and your crafts and things that you're doing. I of course, have many days and need more inspiration myself, so I hope you'll join us.